Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been really long since we had a chit chat, so I thought it's time to come and speak to you people on this channel and tell what's going on in my life right now. So if you guys follow me on Instagram, you'll be knowing that now I'm part of a new program which is by Instagram. So Instagram have this program for its selected creators which is known as Born on Instagram, and I've been a part of Born on Instagram from almost a year now. It's more than a year now. So it was an amazing journey, and finally Born on Instagram have selected me as a beauty creator for one of my favorite cosmetic brands in India, and that is Lakme. And let me show you what I have got from them. So I've got this huge box full of my favorite cosmetics, skincare, makeup range, and everything from Lakme and Born on Instagram. And today in this video I'm going to do an unboxing of this one, and I'm going to show you what are the products that I have received, because some of you have been asking this on Instagram since long, and I was not able to do a proper unboxing, so I'm going to do it right away. So before we get into this unboxing, let me tell you there are a lot of products over here, because we are going to co-create looks with Lakme products and with Born on Instagram. And the first thing that we started with was Lakme's Fashion Week's grand finale look, which was done by a famous makeup artist Namrata Soni on Ananya Pandey. So we have master classes where they'll be teaching us how to do makeup, how to ace makeup, how to take care of skin and other things like that. I'm so happy because this is a topic where I really wanted to study about, and I was actually thinking of doing some workshops or certification courses just to understand what this whole stuff is all about. So not to go into that field, but just to understand, because this is something which I really love. So finally I got this chance through Lakme, and let me show you now what all things have come in this box. Now, as I told you, the number of things that have been sent across is really huge. They have sent almost everything from their range, and I will just show you all the products. But if you want a detailed review, I'll be doing detailed review of all the products that I really loved and I want to do over a period of time. When I start using it, when I experience how it is, then I'll be giving a detailed review of many of the products out of this box. So starting from the first one, let me show you how this box looks from inside. So I have this beautiful invite which is from Born on Instagram, and it says it's time to get your sparkle on and shine on. This glam box that we have sent you has all that you need to show us the ace beauty creator in you. We adore your style and look forward to seeing the magic you create with these Lakme bestsellers. So basically they have sent their Lakme bestsellers over here in this Lakme X Born on Instagram box. They say unleash the trendsetter in you. So this is how the box looks from inside, and when we open it, we have all these stuffs. It's a lot. So we have all these stuff. So I'm going to show you now one by one what they have sent across. So let me quickly start with skincare, and then slowly we will move on to the makeup part. So for the skincare, the first thing that they have sent is this Lakme 995 Natural Aqua Aloe Aqua Gel. So this is not something which I have used, and I wanted to try it badly. So let me see how it is. It says it's with 100% pure aloe vera, and this one costs 350 rupees. So I will give a detailed review of everything later on once I start using them. The next thing out here is this one, which you would have seen a lot in ads and all. This one is like have become pretty trending these days. So this is Lakme Absolute Youth Infinity Skin Sculpting Day Cream, and it have an SPF of 15. So and this one comes for 850 rupees, and fine, I need to see how this one is also working out. The next product from the lot is this one. This is Lakme Absolute Hydra Pro Gel Cream. Now this is something which I have used and I have loved, because when I started doing makeup, like when I actually started putting makeup on my face, this is the one which was suggested by one of the person from the shop that I go and purchase my cosmetics from. And this one I was using it as a moisturizer kind of thing before doing the makeup, and this actually made the base really flawless. So this is really nice, and this one comes for 600 rupees. And yeah, so The next thing out here is this one, which I'm using now currently. This is Lakme 9 to 5 Matte Moist Mattifying Moisturizer with green tea. So this is something which I'm applying these days. Even today I applied this before I started the makeup as a base, as a matte moisturizer. So this is amazing because it makes sure that any pores or anything that is there on your skin is not seen. It's oil free, and it makes sure that your face is oil free. I can swear by it because I've been using it from since few days, and I've seen that my makeup stays longer. So this is something which I'm loving now. The next skincare product out here is Lakme Absolute Perfect Radiance Brightening Serum. So again, this is something which I have not used. So they say it is something really amazing for an illuminated look, and this one comes for 975 rupees. So I have never tried any serum from Lakme. I've heard it is good, but I've never tried. So I need to give this one a try as well. Next skincare product is this one, and this, guys, you would have seen a lot. It have created a whole huge hype in the market when it came. So this is Lakme Absolute Argan Oil Radiance Overnight Oil in Serum. So this is something which you apply at night, and this is how it looks. It comes with this dropper kind of stuff. You need to put it in your face, like 2-3 drops of it, and it nourishes. And this one comes for again 975 rupees. The next stuff out here is one of my most favorite, be it from any brand, and this is Lakme Sun Expert. But this is the sunscreen lotion which I have been using, the most basic sunscreen lotion that I have ever used, and I love using. So this have a very broad spectrum. It's like 50 SPF 50. It blocks up to 97% of UVB rays. It's a tinted sunscreen, and the best part about this one is it never leaves that white cast on your face, which I really love. So it's got a very natural tone, and it's like ultra matte finish kind of stuff, and this one comes for 520 rupees. The next skincare product that they have sent is this one. This is Lakme Absolute Perfect Radiant Skin Lightening Face Wash. I've never tried this, and when it comes to skin lightening, I don't know why do they say skin lightening. Like, just by washing your skin don't become light, right? Just removes the sebum or any oil collection that is there on your face. But I need to try it. I don't know why skin lightening face wash, but I need to try it, and I'll tell you how it is. So this one is for 160 rupees, which I feel is very affordable and something which people can try out. The next not a skincare product. Okay. The next one is this, and this is Lakme 95 Matte Moist Clay Face Mask. I want to try this, and this is something which cleanses the pore, and it's non-drying. It's with green tea, and green tea is amazing for your face. And this one comes for 299 rupees, and this looks good, and I have to try this also. The next skincare product out here is this one. I think this is also something common which you guys would have seen a lot. So this is Lakme Peach Milk Ultra Light Gel with 24 hours of moisture lock. So this is something which I used to use on my body, but I'm not using this one now, so I need to give it a try again, and I'll give a review of this as well. And this thing comes for 350 rupees. And the last product from the skincare, I'll not call it skincare, but something using which you can just clean your face, is this one. This is Lakme 95 Natural Aloe Cleansing Wipes. So all you need to do is take and wipe it off. Though I'm not a very big fan of wipes, because I feel wipes don't clear, like the pores and all will still be there. So I usually prefer using any kind of makeup remover and things like that, but still I need to give this one a try. Now quickly moving on to the makeup part. The first thing that they have sent across are these, and these are Lakme 9 to 5 CC cream, and I have tried the CC cream like long back. So this is like all-in-one instant skin stylist with SPF 30, and they have sent 3 different shades of this, like whichever shade suits me I can use that. So basically I'm mixing 2 shades for now. The next one is this. It's an Lakme Absolute Undercover Gel Primer, and I swear by it, their primer is amazing. They give a very flawless base, and this one is for 750 rupees. The next thing what they have sent over here are these 2 set of eyeshadow palettes, and their eyeshadow palettes are amazing for beginners, and I just love this. They have all the shades that you actually want, and this is for 995 rupees each. So the shade of this one, the first one is Pink Paradise and the other one is Midnight Magic. I already have Coral Sunset eyeshadow palette from this range, and it's amazing. The next product is this one, which again, it's a very famous product. It's a moonlit highlighter. It's something which highlights your face a lot. It's like glittery highlight, and this one is for 750 rupees. Next, I'm going to show you the two eye products that they have sent. The first one out here is this. It's Kohl Ultimate Kajal, and I don't know how much this costs because I have never tried that. I've only tried their Iconic. And the next one out here is this one. This is Lakme Absolute Kohl Ultimate in Silver Slate, and this is like silverish color, and I actually liked it. I used this and I loved it. And the next thing out here is this one. It's an Lakme Iconic eyeliner. It's a very tiny mini eyeliner which you can easily use, very handy, and I loved it a lot. And this one comes for 250 rupees, which is again very affordable. Then they have sent this Lakme Iconic curling mascara, which I have already opened and I have used it. Comes for 450 rupees, and presently I am using this one, and it's good. It's pretty good. Curls your mascara really well and goes well if you are already if using an eyelash curler. It really enhances the entire look. And the last set of products that they have sent are these many lipsticks in different shades, in different range, which I'm going to give you a detail about everything. This one is Matte Revolution Lip Color, which again was pretty famous, and this one comes for 800 rupees. And this one is Lakme Absolute Matte Melt Liquid Lip Color. It's very smooth, and this one comes for 750 rupees. This one is Matte Melt Liquid Lip Color, and this one comes for 800 rupees. This is Lakme Absolute Matte Revolution Lip Color, which is again for 800 rupees. So these are the stuffs that they have sent across. As I told you, I have done a complete look of my face in my Instagram channel. If you want, you can go and check it out there. And also, I'll be doing a complete review of all the products out here one by one when I start using them. So until next time, with lots of love, this is Vidya. Subscribe to my channel if you have not done. Go and follow me on Instagram because I create a lot of beauty content which will be really helpful for you. So until next video, bye.